Hello everybody, this is Igor and this is Web2Wave. In this video, I'm going to show you all the cool features on our platform that will help you to build the best Web2App funnel. So the most important section that we have is quizzes and pages. You go here, then you can click new quiz from template, and you go to the template section. And here we have a lot of great funnels that you can just copy to your project and start playing with. Then after you copy it, you can go to the quiz editor. On the left side, you have a list of screens. You can drag and drop them. And in every screen, you have a list of blocks. There are a lot of ready-to-use blocks. For instance, you can add a graph or a video. And obviously we have a lot of questions for every need: country, date field, email field, file upload, multiple choice with images, weight, height. So like for instance, we can calculate BMI and other metrics for your users. And then you select the block, you go here, you update the content in this block, and you can change the style of this block. For instance, we can change the color and the background. Let's make it white. Yes, okay, perfect. Then every time you save the quiz, we save it as a backup. You always can restore the previous version. You can publish it, or you can keep it for development before publishing it to live. And then you go to analytics section, and in the analytics section we show you all the data that you need for your funnel. You can filter it by quiz and even by quiz version. We'll show you the revenue for period, the refunded amount, number of new users who subscribed, new subscriptions count, number of visitors on every step of your funnel, conversions on every step, and we will also show you average numbers of these conversions on the platform, so you can compare yourself with other quizzes. Then we'll show you revenue graph, LT and LTV for your subscriptions, quiz conversions by days. We'll show you quiz funnel, so you can see where your users drop off. And these screens are not a bug. They are shown or not shown depending on users' answers, so you can build custom flows on Web2Wave. We'll show you a quiz funnel in table format, paywall conversions. Paywalls and quizzes on Web2Wave are separate structures, so you can have one quiz and 5 paywalls and A/B test them, or you can have 5 different quizzes that send users to one paywall. A lot of technical events that we send to both internal analytics and external analytics. And we can also show you conversion from subscribe to install, so you will know how many users are actually started using your application after they made a purchase on the web. We will also show you UTM report. You can drill down and see performance by campaign, by medium, by source. And we can also add a ROAS column. If you connect your Meta cabinet, Meta Ads account, we'll import spend data and calculate ROAS for your campaigns. When you launch your campaigns, you want to experiment a lot. So for that, we have experiment section here. You can go to experiment and create experiment. Let's say for all the users from Brazil who came to us from Android devices and from this UTM campaign, we will A/B test them, and we will show them 2 different versions of the quizzes. There are actually other filters like UTM medium, IP address, user agent. And once we save, we distribute users into different groups, and then we show you results of these experiments. So you will know how many users started quiz, completed quiz, started payment, completed payment. You will see the wall conversion visitor to subscription, RPU, RPPU, and for every conversion, we will show you absolute difference, relative difference, p-value, effect size. So you will know, do we have enough data to make a decision on this experiment. And while we have internal analytics, we also send all required events to external analytics systems like Postcall, Amplitude, Mixpanel, and obviously we send all required data to Metapixel. We use browser events and server events with deduplication using Conversion API. Metapixel, TikTok Pixel, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, AppLovin Pixel, and we can also connect Snapchat Pixel. Here you customize events that you send to the systems. And for the payments, we have integration with Stripe, Paddle, PayPal, Primer, and after the user made a purchase, you can send them to your mobile application. And we have synchronization abilities with Adapt to Revenue Card Conversion. And for the deep links, we are integrated with AppsFlyer, Adjust, Branch, and other major MMP systems. We also have a really powerful API and webhook systems. We send emails for your users after they made a purchase, so you don't need to use any external system. But if you want, we can synchronize users with your CRM systems like SendPulse, HubSpot, SendGrid, MailChimp. And we also have integration with LearnWorlds and Uscreen. These are LMS systems. And you can add multiple users to your project with different access levels. So these are main features. We have a lot of things inside, for instance, customizable template editor. You can write JavaScript function in any field, and by that the possibilities to customization are endless. And yeah, that's it. So please sign up on the platform if you did not sign up yet, and book a call with us. We will be happy to help you to build your Web2App funnel. See you. Bye.